26 years old for Uzbekistan over on a world silver medalist back in 2019. His opponent, the very well credentialed 33-year-old Kim Young-woo, Olympic champion, world champion. Hungary's Levi Zoltan, 26 years old, junior world bronze back in 2014. Tamerlan Shatakayev, 26 years old, cadet world bronze back in 13, junior world champ in 2016. Ru Lu of China, 25 years old. His opponent, Viktor Nemish, 29 years old, 2017 world champion. And over on D, Zol Mahmudov, 23 years old, Olympic silver medalist, junior world silver 17.
Мектепке карата белектерди беребиз. Infinix смартфонун сатып алып, канцелярдык товарлар менен рюкзакты белекке ал. Эң сонун белектер үчүн Осторго.
World champion 2016. And his opponent from Turkey, Yunus Başar, 26 years old.
Jedan Vlada Viktor Nemeš, evo sada podrška za Viktora, hajo! Viktor Nemeš! 5-0. Sedam-0.
Technical superiority.
U polufinalu prvenstva Kim Hyun-woo, Koreja.
And tied up 7-7, but Bashar with criteria down here on mat D.
Dame i gospodo, treći revanš Srbije u polufinalu na svjetskom prvenstvu u Beogradu. Na spojači C, pobednik Viktor Serbia!
And the last call, that was a 2 points red, caution in 2. And no challenge as the challenge was denied because it took too long to press the button. There was a certain amount of time to decide to make a challenge and took a little too long according to our officiating crew. No challenge. U polufinale sa streljače de Asol Mahmudov, Kyrgyzstan.